I am playing Shark Bite with my friend. I can't pronounce his YouTube name, but I'll put it up in the top left corner. Say your name.
Guys, we're doing a collab, so hold on. Okay, dude.
Yeah.
We need to start at the same time, okay? I'm going. Hey guys!
What's up?
It is eating ytchez bergers. I'm gonna invite
Yeah, I got a bunch of boats.
my friend. He is also doing a collab with me, and I'm doing a collab with him. Except for this boy!
I got a duck boat. Jump in my duck boat.
No, jump in this boat.
No, my duck boat is more durable.
Okay, if you've seen my outfit, you'll know. I updated it. La 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 la. I don't really.
I'm more experienced in this game than him.
Hey, I'm driving.
Oh, I'm gone. Oh, shark has been released. Mind if I do some fishing?
Remember to shoot the shark.
Alright, I will shoot the shark. Oh, the shark!
Shoot it, shoot it, shoot it.
I can't for some reason. It's not letting me shoot. I have to reload.
Oh, don't shoot that reload. Oh,
I had to.
I thought you meant reload your character.
Oh my god. Reload that.
Crazy boat driver.
Yeah, you're the crazy boat driver, little bro. Oh, the shark!
Oh, no!
Oh, the snake is...
Wasted! No! Police officer down!
Yeah, little bro shark got us.
Comment down below in the comment section if you have seen the new Minecraft movie. I have personally seen it.
I seen it twice.
Fire, bro!
I seen it twice. I like it. I seen it twice. Go watch a Minecraft movie. If you go to Hoyts, watch it in the extreme screen. Really worth it.
Really worth the extreme screen on Hoyts. I got told that.
We're in the cinema. When it goes, chicken jockey, everybody's throwing popcorn around.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, get that girl. Get that girl. Yeah!
Anyway, that's gonna do it for this one.
I'm watching the shark right now.
You put the test recording. Thank you. Goodbye.
Yeah, bro. Did you stop recording?
Maybe not.
Oh, I stopped recording. I'm still recording. Guys, he has stopped his recording.
I'm not a bad guy.
I think the collab is no more. No more. Alright, I'm watching the shark right now. The shark is.
People are gonna have to leave the desk for a second.
You can see the shark right now.
I crashed out. You know why? You know what? Do you know the game I just saw?
What?
You know the game I just saw? Wait in line to get a low time fake.
The shark is killed.